Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that an egg consists of 30 grams of egg white, 20 grams of egg yolk, and 13% of the egg white contains protein, 12.5% of the egg yolk contains protein. Find the percentage of protein in the egg. I know. You might be tempted to just add these two percentages together. No! We have to do them separately. I am going to first find the amount of protein in the egg. Okay, that's a good first step. So the amount of protein, not the percentage yet, There are two parts to it. One is the 30 grams of egg white, out of which 13% is the protein. There's also this 20 grams, where 12.5% is this protein. So you will see here 13 percent of 30. I will add the to 12.5% of this 20 grams for the egg yolk. This would then give me the amount of protein, 6.4 grams. Now let me get myself, draw a line here, and we are going to do the percentage now. So the required percentage of the protein is simply this 6.4 grams, and we need to be over the total. What's the total? Yes, 30 egg white, 20 egg yolk. So it's 30 plus 20. Then I will need to find the percentage. So I'm going to multiply by 100%. And this will give me 12.8%. Do take note. This is the calculation part. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.